Human cells, living factories that build every part of our bodies. Through massive replication, they create the varied and specialized systems inside each of us. Our cells copy themselves every day to keep us healthy. When this copying process goes wrong, we call it cancer. Badly copied cells are similar to the originals, but are defective and don't work properly. Cancer cells divide abnormally fast, forming tumors that take the place of healthy cells. Because we are made of cells, cancer can strike any part of the human body. Fighting cancer can be difficult because treatments that kill cancer cells can also kill healthy cells. And it only takes one cancer cell to start the disease all over again. To understand how the copying process works, let's go inside a healthy cell to its command center, the nucleus. Here we find the biological blueprint for life, DNA. Billions of instructions for the cell's operation entwine on twisted strands. These commands are amazingly precise, more complex than any man-made computer code. The strands unzip, so the cell can make a perfect copy of the DNA. The cell divides with a complete DNA molecule in each nucleus. This happens in our bodies over 2 trillion times every day. That's a lot of copies. But our bodies have built-in error checking and can fix small copying errors in its new DNA. DNA contains genes. These are instructions for our whole bodies. Genes determine things like the color of our eyes and hair, our height, and even diseases we inherit from our parents. Genes also control the accuracy and speed of cellular duplication. When these genes are damaged beyond repair, cancer begins. Cancer cells duplicate quickly and uncontrollably, beginning their invasion into healthy tissue. So how does this happen? How do our genes get permanently broken? This is a difficult question because there are many things that can damage our DNA and cause cancer. Overuse of toxic substances like cigarettes and alcohol can cause genetic damage. Repeated overexposure to radiation like sunlight can damage genes. So can certain viruses. We can also inherit defective genes from our parents, increasing our risk of cancer. Exposure to pollution or other hazardous materials. Ongoing bad habits like poor diet and lack of exercise can also severely damage DNA. Some cancers are hidden. They grow in areas of our bodies that don't cause pain or reveal problems until the tumor has grown dangerously large. Others show symptoms that are easier to recognize and diagnose. Because cancer starts small and develops over time, regular medical checkups are essential, especially if you are over 40 years old. Certain dietary supplements actually can build our resistance to cancer. Even tiny lumps or strange body pains are worth checking into. Cancer is much easier to treat when detected early. State-of-the-art medical imaging technology can look inside your body to identify cancer before it grows too large or has a chance to spread. Cancer can also invade multiple parts of the body. Cancer cells can spread between the lymph nodes in the lymphatic system. They can also pass through the walls of blood vessels and hitch a ride on the body's superhighway, the bloodstream. These cancer cells can come to rest virtually anywhere. Wherever the cancer cells land, they can begin growing. The more cancer spreads through the body, the more deadly it becomes. Certain types of cancer can even affect white blood cells, the titans of the immune system, rendering them helpless in fighting ordinary infections. Early diagnosis is the key to effective treatment against cancer. Surgery is often one critical step in cancer therapy. Removing damaged cells prevents them from replicating further, possibly eliminating the cancer entirely. Radiation therapy targets powerful radiation at the affected area to shrink tumors and destroy cancer cells. Chemotherapy, or treatment with anti-cancer drugs, can further eradicate cancer cells in the body. A healthy lifestyle that includes taking dietary supplements is key to preventing cancer. But we must also get regular checkups to find out what is going on inside of us. With early discovery, diagnosis, and treatment, modern medicine can effectively treat many forms of cancer, allowing cancer patients to live longer, healthier lives.